Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be a very special video, very close to my heart, because I'm going to show you my entire bag collection. I love watching the bag collection of other women across the world in YouTube, so I always thought that I'll do the same one day, and here I am. So I'm very excited to show you my entire bag collection. So let's get started. So the first type of bag that every girl should have are the crossbody bags. So crossbody bags are always in trend, and I love the idea of crossbody bags because once you take it as a crossbody, your hands are free. So ideally handbags are for carrying in hand, but sometimes you feel difficult, right? When you're traveling or you're shopping, you want to be hands free. So crossbody bags are amazing. So first I'm going to show you my entire crossbody bag collection. So let's get started. The first crossbody bag that I have in my collection is this Charles and Keith crossbody bag that was a marriage gift by one of my friend. I totally love it. I have carried it in my Paris trip. It was looking very classy. So this is my first crossbody bag. The second one is this maroon color crossbody bag that I've got from Earth brand actually. So I was watching a K-drama, I think I was watching Business Proposal, and I was observing that the lead actress was carrying these simple, very aesthetic crossbody bags. So I thought I should also buy one in my collection. So this is the second crossbody bag that I have in my collection by the Earth brand. Very beautiful color. The third one is this crossbody bag by Dune London. It is a very kind of rough and tough used crossbody bag, and I bought it in two colors. One is black. The black is okayish, but the same one in white color is amazing. I think it is of very good quality and it looks very classy. So this is the white crossbody bag that I have got. So I have two, one is in black color and one is in white color. I've used the black one often, you know, for running errands and everything. This I have used rarely, once or twice, just when I'm going for some dinner or something. So yeah, this is the third and the fourth crossbody bag that I have in my collection. And the last one that I have is this crossbody bag that I've got from MG Road. So there is an outlet in MG Road in Bangalore it says amazing style crossbody or the latest bag. So from there I have bought this. This is also very good quality, and also I've got it in a very good price. So yeah, that's all the crossbody bags that I have in my collection. Okay, so the next type of bag that every girl or woman should have in her collection are these sling bags. So sling bags can be interchangeably used with crossbody bags as well, but there are certain category of bags which looks good if you carry it as a sling bag. So let me show you my sling bag collection. So this is the one that I've got from Dune London. I forgot to add the foams inside it, that's why the shape is a little distorted, but this is a very beautiful Dune London bag, very classy. I just love the hardware of the Dune London bags. No matter how much time you use it, it will not wear or tear at all. As you can see, the stitches are all fine, and I have used this bag a lot of times, like a lot of times. So this is my very favorite sling bag. The second one that I have is a recent bag that I've got from Guess brand. So this is a beautiful sling bag that I've got from the Guess brand. This is very classy. It looks very good on dresses or on jeans and tops. So this is my second sling bag that I have in my collection. Okay, so the third and my most favorite type of bags are the shoulder bags. I mean, they are in trend since 2023, and I have been collecting bags after bags of all the brands that I can get my hands on. So it is just, I think I have most number of bags as shoulder bags in my collection. So let's get into it. Okay, the first one here is my beautiful quilted handbag that I've got from Lifestyle. I think this is from the brand Ginger. Very affordable, very classy. So this looks very good if you carry it on any of your dresses. So this is very beautiful quilted shoulder bag. Okay, the second shoulder bag that I have in my collection is this Dune London shoulder bag. I got it in on my birthday actually, so I gifted it to myself, and I just love the detailing. This gold chain enhances the entire look of this bag. It looks very classy with dresses, and the color is also very beautiful. The next bag that I have in my collection is this beautiful quilted shoulder bag that I've got from the Elle brand, and this I bought it I think from the Lifestyle app. This is very beautiful beige color, very neutral color. It goes with all your dresses, it goes with ethnic, it goes with western style dresses. So this is also one of my favorite shoulder bag that I've recently purchased. So yeah. The next shoulder bag is this beautiful pink color, very cute shoulder bag that I've got from the College Spring website. That actually in the Aldo app there are two tabs, right? One is Aldo and one is College Spring. So I got it from the College Spring category, and it is very good quality. The chain quality is beautiful, and the shape is also very good. It can carry a lot of things, though it looks small, but it can carry a lot of things. So this is also one of my favorite shoulder bags. I wear it for ethnic dresses also, and I wear it with my western clothes also. So this is the another one. The next in my collection is my very favorite Guess shoulder bag. I think I just fell in love with this bag. I got it from the Phoenix Mall in Bangalore, and I just loved it. It is still in collection, so if you go to Tata Click Luxury or Ajio app, you can still find this bag. It is still relevant. It's very high selling and bestseller in the Guess brand. I love this bag, and it goes mostly well with western dresses. So I carry it whenever I'm wearing some trendy western dresses. It enhances the whole look of your dress. I just love it. Also, I love the gold detailing in my bag. So as you can see that most of my bags will have this gold detailing, because I love the charm of the gold hardware, like either these locks or the gold chains, everything. I just love it. So yeah, this is my very favorite shoulder bag that I have in my collection by the Guess brand. Okay, so the next bag is the shoulder bag that I've got from the brand Da Milano. I love the quality of the leather of Da Milano bags, so I always prefer to have one or two bags of the brand Da Milano. So this is very beautiful shoulder bag that goes mostly with the western clothes. It doesn't look very good with the ethnic one, so because of the strap mostly. So this goes very well with your jeans or you're wearing some western outfit. So this is another bag that I have in my collection, very favorite. And last but not the least is this beautiful Da Milano shoulder bag that my husband has gifted me on the anniversary. This is a very beautiful shoulder bag, very classy. As you can see, the detailing, it is so beautiful. The chain, the gold chain enhances the whole look. So this you can wear it on the ethnic saris or ethnic clothes. It looks very classy. So this is my most favorite shoulder bag in my entire collection. So yeah. Okay, so the next category of bags are the satchel bags, or the proper handbags that you can carry with yourselves. So satchel bags are mostly preferred by the working women because they can fit a lot of things, or you can also carry when you are traveling. So let's show you my favorite satchel bags that I have in my collection. Okay, this one here is a very beautiful satchel that was a gift by one of my friends in my marriage. This is by the Da Milano bag. It is very beautiful. I've carried this bag in both of my international trips that I have taken in the last 2 years. So this is a very beautiful satchel bag that I have in my collection. The second satchel bag that I have in my collection is by the Charles & Keith brand. This is a very beautiful, very cute bag that I've got from Charles & Keith. I bought it from the Tata Click Luxury app. It has got 3 compartments. It is not very spacious, but it's very cute. It's very classy. It's very structured. The structured look gives it a very classy look. So yeah, this is the second satchel bag that I have in my collection. The third one and my most used satchel bag in my collection is this Guess. This is called the Guess Girlfriend Satchel that I've got from, I think, Shoppers Stop. I have used the entire 2024 this bag. Bag has not shown a single sign of wear and tear at all. It is of very good quality, very spacious, can fit all your things. And the best part about the satchel bag is that it expands a lot. So this is my very favorite satchel bag by Guess brand. fourth one that I have in my collection is this very beautiful orange color satchel bag, structured satchel bag from Guess brand. I have not used it. I've not even removed the tag yet, so I'm just trying to think on which outfit this will look, because this is a very bright color, very unique color, so it will not go with all the outfits. So it is very, I have to use it very selectively, but I wanted a bag of this shape, like this semi dome shaped basically. So I bought this by Guess brand. I got it from the Tata Click app. I really love the dome shape, and obviously Guess is my favorite brand amongst all the brands, so I got it. The last category bag that I have in my collection are the tote bags. So tote bags are a must in every women's collection. So let's get started. Let's see the tote bags that I have in my collection. The first one is by the brand US Polo. I am saving this bag for my any international trip, so basically for the airport look. This will look very good, and it is very spacious, so perfect for when you're traveling through airport or you're traveling through train to store all the essentials here. So this is the first tote bag that I have in my collection. And the second one is my Guess topographic tote bag. This is the bag that I'm currently using on a day-to-day basis, and I've also posted a what's in my Guess tote bag video, so you can go and look at that video as well, where I've explained the entire details of this bag. It's a very spacious, very classy looking bag, and I'm using it on a day-to-day basis. I'm just loving the feeling of carrying this bag. So yeah, this is the second tote bag that I have in my collection. Okay, so this brings me to the end of the video. So I have shown you all the bags that I have right now in my collection. If any new bags get added, I will definitely show you in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This really motivates me. So yeah, see you in the next video.